Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
How to convert 620 mm Hg to ATM? Correct answer is to convert 620 mm Hg to ATM we can use the conversion factor of 1 ATM equals 760 mm Hg. Divide 620 mm Hg by 760 mm Hg by ATM. 620 mm Hg by 760 mm Hg by ATM equal 0.8158 ATM. Therefore, 620 mm Hg is equivalent to 0.8158 ATM.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.